Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be reacting to another Flashgitz animation called Animal Crossing, The Tiger King. I didn't really watch the Tiger King show. I heard a bit about it due to the various jail and lawsuits, and I think someone died. But I've played Animal Crossing, so I'm sure this is totally normal. Let's get started. Go subscribe to Flashgitz. Watch it there first.
Hey, I'm Joe Exotic.
Wow. Already bad off the bat. Oh, jeez. Yep, okay. All right. Look how they're automatically in cages right off the bat. That's just great.
Welcome to my island, home to the greatest collection of tiger villagers in the world.
Huh. I remember that one.
Hey, you gay?
Hey, yeah, this went downhill quick. I wonder why. Meth. Yeah, those are some different settings that I'm used to in Animal Crossing. But all right, sure.
How about now?
Oh, jeez. Yeah, this is pretty bad, Flashgitz. Even for you guys.
Oh, jeez!
Wow. Okay.
What do you think it was that attracted Joe to you in particular?
Yeah, I wonder.
This is my way of life, and some people are trying to take it away from me.
Oh, jeez. I wonder how many parodies there are of Joe Exotic. And if anyone has any else good parodies from that series, that'd be pretty funny.
I owe that fucking bitch Isabel and her husband Tom Nook.
Yeah, Tom Nook is crazy. If you actually go into the like background history of it, he's like a drug lord that you're stuck on his island, and you're an indentured servant.
A whole lot of money, and she's using it to try to shut me down. Did you know she pegged her last husband to death?
Just all the little crazy details you were putting into this weird animation. Jeez.
I've been at my wit's end trying to come up with ways to pay them, but I think I finally figured it out.
Wrong person.
What? Who the fuck is that? You were supposed to kill that fucking bitch Isabel, you retard! That was the last of my money! Hurry up and make me some goddamn cubs, you fucking assholes! Alright. Time to focus on resources. Everybody run a train on Bianca.
Why is this one so much worse than the rest of your animations? It's like every 3 seconds. I feel like I'm watching a Brandon Rogers video. Jeez. But animated. Oh, wait. They already have that. It's called Hell of a Boss. Never mind.
Why aren't you pregnant yet? I'm gonna go bankrupt! You fucking bitch! God damn you! I'm gonna shoot you right between the fucking eyes, bitch!
Wow. Just gets worse and worse and worse by the minute.
Sometimes tigers get sick.
I say by the minute. This is a 2-minute. It's a 3-minute video, but knowing them, this is only like a 2-minute video and like a 1-minute ad. They did a lot in 2 minutes. Backgrounds look nice though.
You gotta euthanize them.
Stupid shovel. Yeah. Go subscribe to Flashgitz. That was terrible and really funny, but still terrible. Jeez, I don't even know what to say of that one. Visuals look good. That's about it. Jeez. All right, have a good day, everyone.